YouTube is still taking down accounts, and sadly, this particular creator lost 3 of his accounts. I came across it on YouTube. I felt sad about it because it's not a good news. So that's why we learn from experience. He shared his experience, telling us what to avoid, what happened to his channel, and how to go about it. Just imagine investing a lot of time in your channel, uploading videos, showing up every day, low views, you still showed up, then you finally crack the code of blowing up your channel, and then just one little thing and your channel is demonetized or deleted. How will you feel? This is how this young creator felt when this happened to him. And it didn't happen to just one of his accounts. It happened to 3 of his accounts. That is more than sad if there's another word to use for it. I felt bad for him, but I just want to celebrate his doggedness to keep moving on YouTube. So I watched that video and I learned 3 things that I want to share with us today. You're a content creator on YouTube. You are not exempted. Whether faced or faceless is affecting everybody now on YouTube. Like, is that this is like a virus that is spreading on YouTube, right? Let me call it virus that is spreading on you because we don't know who is next to be taken down. Here is the good part. You can make amendments from other people's experience and see how you can change what you are doing that is actually hurting your channel or that would actually get your channel trapped or hurt in the long term. So you have to learn this and then you stop doing all of those things. Now, one of the things is shared. Now listen, this account, he said he built it for 5 years. That is 5 years, have 5 years of hard work, 5 years of waking up, editing videos, looking at the camera, sometimes no energy, sometimes no motivation, but yet it's still pushed. 5 years gone down. And you don't want to make this mistake. Stay to the end of this video. Hey guys, so if you're meeting me for the first time, this is Build and Brand with Kuyik, and in this channel my goal is simple: to help YouTuber beginners to grow, build and monetize and stay monetized. So let's look at this. One of the things that got his channel demonetized, one of the mistakes that he made, according to him, is reused content. Now he has been creating videos on this channel, he has been uploading videos, and there is no such thing as reused content, but somehow he got himself an email that says that his channel had been demonetized just because of reused content. And according to him, he said that he started reacting to videos. So you react to videos, whether short videos, in no time is actually coming after your channel. That is, if you don't change and make the right move now. One of my friends got demonetized as well just by uploading reaction short. Now, let me explain what she did. She said that what she does in that channel is just for her to get other people's short, like collabs, and sit and react to it, like no talking, just reaction, maybe, demonstrating using hand and all of all those things, right? Good. Now she was doing this thing, and eventually this short got massive views. That short video earned a lot of money, like 1K dollars, up to 1K dollars for that particular short in less than 2 days. That is, if I'm correct. Now, the owner of the short actually served her a copyright. So that means the owner of the short knew that that video is actually earning her money, and she changed, however, changed the mind and then got her a copyright strike, and that got her channel demonetized. So you see, it's not just about the video you upload, it's about how you upload this video. Now, reuse content, if you are not adding any significant difference, any significant thing to that video, to make some changes, to alter it and give it that unique touch, then YouTube is against it. So you need to stop. All right, that is one of the things he mentioned as one of the mistakes. Another mistake that he mentioned that I learned from that video is linking the 3 accounts to one account. Now, he linked all these 3 accounts were connected. So the moment the first account got affected, in no time the second one got affected, and in no time the third one got affected. So all the 3 accounts at the same time almost the same season got affected just because of one channel. You don't want to make that mistake, right? Different emails for your channels. Don't link channels together, because if anything happens, I mean, it's nice, right? But the disadvantage is that if anything happens to one of your channel, if it happens that the channel is deleted, every channel that is linked to that particular channel will be gone. You don't want to make such an expensive mistake. So avoid this. You are doing reaction videos, like reaction shorts, then you need to add something significant to it. Add a voiceover. Let us see the, like, let there be that human touch, a commentary. Don't just sit down and be shaking your head, like you'll be nodding your head, like you're reacting. YouTube is not even like, YouTube don't even, like, it doesn't like it. Like, I'm not, YouTube doesn't like it. Now, I stopped doing that on my channel because when I realized the implication of it, I said, I can't take this kind of risk for my channel. So please and please, you upcoming YouTubers, you will hear a lot of things, right? I know you want to grow your subscribers very fast. I know you want to grow your watch hours very fast. But there are ways that you can go about it the right way that can preserve your account and keep your monetization safe. Let's learn from other people's experience and make corrections. And I hope this video have actually enlightened you and opened your eyes to know that reuse content is against the YouTube policy. Not adding anything significant to your video is against the YouTube policy. Linking all your channels to one email, like to one channel, to linking them together to one AdSense, like linking all of them to one account can actually risk your account. Take all this and do something. Linking the three channels to one AdSense account was one of the biggest mistakes is mentioned as well. Is one of the biggest lessons I learned. Now, what does this mean? It means even if you have 5 accounts, don't link them to one AdSense account. Just imagine having what, like over $1,000 in your AdSense account, and you wake up one morning and the whole money is gone just because they're all connected. You can't withdraw, you can't do anything. You're like, it's over, like it's painful. So what you can do is you can have different AdSense account. Like you can use your husband's phone, like husband's, because you are going to verify a lot of things. Yeah, your ID it's needed, the face is needed, everything, like your address, phone numbers. This is like an alternative. Okay, you can use someone very close to you that you know you have access, that someone you can trust. So yeah, because this money related issue has to do with trust. So those 3 lessons that I learned has actually opened my eyes. So I hope this also opened your eyes to stay safe here on YouTube. I want everyone to stay safe on YouTube and keep your account safe. See you in the next one.